So, good morning, welcome. Uh, Geometry part 2, Pythagoras theorem. In a single diagram, we will prove three different theorem. To this Pythagoras theorem, you can apply only for right angle triangle. Just keep in mind, Pythagoras theorem you can apply for only right angle triangle. So, one diagram I am giving you, with help of that we will solve three theorems, and I have given name to that diagram is golden triangle. Very beautifully you can arrange by using similarity. We can prove three theorems. So one by one, from one triangle only I'll prove. So height and base, there is a double difference. Compared to height, take base double. So the smallest angle is x. Then next number increasing order y, and z means 90 degree. X, Y, Z in increasing order you have to give the name. This X, Y, Z will help you a lot in theorem. That is why I am calling this uh, golden triangle. Then here again perpendicular. I said 90 means Z. 90 means Z. 90 means Z. So in this triangle X, Z and this is Y. In this triangle Y, X and Z. So now we have three triangle XYZ, XYZ, XYZ. Again, in triangle number 1, smallest x, then y, 90z. In triangle 2, smallest x, next y, 90z. In full triangle, smallest x, y and 90z. On inner right angle triangle, draw altitude means perpendicular from the vertices on a perpendicular on a opposite side. So like that you will get three triangle. So all three triangle in increasing order. Again I am explaining. This is the smallest side, smallest angle. X, Y, Z always 90. So XYZ in 1, XYZ in 2, XYZ in 3. You must have seen X and Y are common. Only ZZ will change. So which three theorem you have to prove? First, triangle 1 similar triangle 2 similar triangle 3. First triangle name I will give from here: A, B, C, D. Name of first triangle according to X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. B, A, D. Second triangle X, Y, Z. C, B, D. Full triangle third, x, y, z, x, y, z, CAB. This is your first proof. Second, what you have to prove? You have to prove Pythagoras theorem. AB square, BC square. Suppose it is A, it is B, it is C. So height square, base square, hypotenuse square. This is your second proof. Okay. Three triangles similar, that you have to prove. Pythagorean triplet or Pythagorean theorem. Third, you have to prove BD square. This square is equal to DA, DC. Geometric mean, GM. Geometric mean. Till now I have explained only what you have to prove from this golden triangle. Again, those who have joined late, height less, base double. This is golden triangle. Then this is x, this is y, this is z. 90 means z. Again draw the here perpendicular. 90 means z. 90 means z. X, z. So this is y. This much. Y, z. So this much is x. And x plus y is equal to 90. If it is if this is 90, so this plus this is 90. So x plus y is 90. Now take any name A, B, C, D. Now this write x, y, z name. B, A, D I have written. X, Y, Z second triangle. X, Y, Z. C, B, D. CBD I have written. Full triangle. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. C, A, B I have written. So this is the introduction of triangle. This alphabet, this x, y, z in increasing order. Okay, ABC you can change, doesn't matter, but x, y, z position should be, and another method of writing x, y, z. If it is x and y, draw perpendicular. So this x comes here, this y comes here, and this is also 90. So x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z. Interchanging. That is also one method how to remember. Now proof. Statement number 1. I will take triangle 1 and triangle 3. I will take triangle 2, triangle 3. Which is triangle 3? CAB. Which is triangle this? CAB. First, which is that? Now you have to read this only. No need to refer diagram again and again. First, third, second, third. See, this is first and this is third. So y is common. See, this A is common. A. So angle A congruent to angle A. In second triangle and third triangle, C is common. That is congruent. First and third, so this is common. second and third, so this is common. 1 1 common and 1 1 90 are present in that. So in number 1 which is 90 ADB, in this angle ABC, in second triangle which is 90 BDC, ABC. Here for both you can write common. Here each 90. 1 1 angle common, 1 1 90 90. So both the triangles are similar by a test. So first, second, third, fourth triangle BAD similar triangle CAB. Triangle CBD similar triangle CAB by A dot A test. First is similar to third, second is similar to third, therefore first, second, third are similar. Therefore first triangle BAD similar triangle CBD similar triangle CAB. What I have proved? First similar to third, second also similar to third. So first similar to second, similar to third. So your first theorem completed. If they will ask second theorem, you have to start with this. Okay. For second theorem, this first I have solved. Now for second, you have to start from here. So triangle BAD similar triangle CAB. Triangle CBD triangle CAB. This you have to write from fourth. Again you have to start for second theorem. Now if two triangles are similar, sides are in proportion, heart shape, first, second, second, third, third, first, first, second, second, third, third, first, first, second, second, third, third, first, first, second, second, third, third, first. So DA, AD, DB divided by CA, AB, BC. First and second, second and third, third and first, first and second. CB, second and third, third and last. CA, AB, BC. Now we want AB square. Mark AB. Cancel this. So AB square is equal to AD into AC. Here we want BC. Cut this. AC, DC. By cross product. Here two triangles are similar. Now AB, BC, left side total, left plus left. Right plus right. first plus second. Now this will be as it is. Now I will take AC common. What is remain? AD plus DC. What is AD plus DC? AC. AC into AC means what? AC square. So here you can write AC common. Here you will write AD plus DC is equal to AC. So AC into AC, AC square. So hence it is proved AB square plus BC square is equal to exact 10 steps. Exact 10 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose you have to prove this in first step. First theorem will prove. For second theorem, this, then take two pair of triangle, similar triangle, then write the ratio first second, second third, third first. In previous chapter for this similarity of two triangle we have used this first second, second third, third first. First second alphabet, second third alphabet, third and first alphabet. 1, 2, 3. Then here first second, second third, third first. Then I want AB square. So AB mark. Third ratio we don't want. Cross product. Which you have to cancel. You will come to know. 3 we have written. Now BC we want. So this I have cancelled. So CB square. Then I want AB square plus BC square. So left side took it, right side took it. Here AC is common. Now AD DC. See in the diagram. It is AC. So it is AC. Third one is damn easy from this only. So this is second proof. This is first proof. Now third proof. For third proof, up to 5 you have to write same to same. First triangle, that is BAD, CBD, CAB. I am continuing from fifth step. This I have explained how to write this 5 step. Fifth step, from fifth step you can prove third theorem. Now here I have taken first and third, here I have taken second and third. First similar to third, second also similar to third. So first and second are also similar to each other. Now no third part I have taken, full part. I have taken this X, Y, Z, BAD I have taken, BAD. Then I have taken X, Y, Z. This part and this part, not full part. But don't write name DBA, DBC. No, as per X, Y, Z. That is why in starting 2-3 times I have explained diagram. X, Y, Z, BAD. In geometry, you have to read the diagram. So automatically you will get the sequence of the proof. X, Y, Z, first triangle. X, Y, Z, second triangle. I have written. Like this. Again, here I have selected first and third. First and third. Second and third. Here I am selecting first and second. Now write the ratio. First, second, third, third, first. First, second, third, third, first. Heart method shape. 7. BA, AD, DB. CB, BD, DC. Now what we want, that we have to mark. BD square I want. So where is BD? Here is BD. Here is BD. So I don't want this. BD square. AB. AD into DC, sorry, not this. So now BD square is equal to AD into DC. For example, it is PQ square. So when it is perpendicular, PQ square RQ into QS. So how to prove these three theorem from only single diagram, and these 5 steps are common up to your first theorem. Then for second theorem from fifth continue. Third theorem, take first two triangle only and continue. Ratio cross product, ratio cross product, ratio cross product. Follow. So this is the best method. In textbook slightly lengthy they have explained. Number of steps are enough. Diagram, explanation, reason, that is enough. If you will write in this way, this method, this reasoning, credit to full marks you will get. So don't worry. This is the method how to remember. Okay. This XYZ method is the best. Why today very less student from 42 to 25 now? Okay, now some theorem on the base of calculation, especially for square and equilateral triangle, and then we will learn how to get Pythagorean triplet, 3 numbers which suits to right angle triangle. Two group of formula I am giving that you can use in this chapter to make your calculation very easy. Only for square. Only for equilateral triangle. What is the definition of square? If all sides and all angles are equal, congruent, then it is said to be square. All three sides or all three angles are congruent, it is equilateral triangle. Okay. Now only for square Suppose sides are S and this is diagonal. These sides are S and this is height. Related to square, when some calculations they'll ask in 1 mark, 2 mark, very easily without using Pythagoras you can write. So diagonal always it is side into root 2. One I will explain with the example. And side is equal to diagonal divided by root 2. So first formula, second formula, third formula. Area is equal to side square, that you know. Parameter is equal to 4 into side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this height of equilateral triangle always root 3 by 2 into side. Parameter of equilateral triangle 3 into side. Area root 3 by 4 side square. These are the formula how to use. Suppose diagonal is given 10 root 2 centimeter. Find side. Side is equal to diagonal divided by root 2. 10 divided by root 2 is equal to 10 root 2 divided by root 2. So this cancel. 10. Now side is given 5 centimeter. So diagonal is equal to side root 2. 5 root 2. Now from same we have to find out area. So it is side square. 5 square. Now it is parameter 4 into side. Suppose here parameter. Now we got 10. 4 side. 4 into 10. Area. Side square. 10 square. In equilateral triangle, suppose side is given 9, side is given S is equal to 9, you can say. So height will be root 3 by 2 into side root 3 by 2 into 9, half 1.5 root 3. Parameter 3 into side 3 into 9. Area root 3 by 4 side square root 3 by 4 9 square. 9 nines are 81 root 3 by 4. 81 half of half. 81 half 40.5. 40.5 half 20.25. So like that, if side is given, height you can find, height is given, side you can find, and parameter and area by the formula you can find, and in square also. So these are the golden tips. By this formula directly in exam you can apply, no need to do with Pythagoras theorem and all. Follow. Next, this much part is clear, no? Now, how to get the Pythagorean triplet numbers in pair of 3, 3, 3? The smallest rounded up number for the right angle triangle, smallest